guys, welcome back to Meet about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 legit websites that you should check out if you want to start making money online. But before you get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to hit the subscribe button for future videos. Once again, I'm gonna try my best to speak slowly. I've seen all your comments and I am trying to speak normally. To make things even much better, I've decided that I'm gonna transcribe all my videos from now on, and I'm gonna upload those videos on my blog so that you can go there and check the text if there's something that you missed. So if there's anything that you didn't catch, you can go check the blog and I'll also put the links there as well. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, medium creators. Some of you already know that you can make money by writing content online. But what if you don't have money to start your own blog, or you don't want to be a freelancer on Fiverr? Well, you can make money by writing for Medium creators. Medium is a website with different creators who write about anything, and this website also has readers who pay $5 every single month to read those stories or those articles. So how can you make money from this website? First of all, you don't have to pay anything. You write for free, and once you've written your post, you can either post under your account or you can post under publications or under groups. This is the best way to get as many eyeballs as you possibly can. Once you have requested to post your work, they will check to see if it's good enough, and if it is, they will post it. Every time someone clicks on your post and read your post, you get a share of their $5 subscription fee. Unlike normal blogging where you have to rely on ads in order to make money, with Medium you just need people to click on your post and their subscription fee is going to be shared with you. That's how you make money. You may be wondering, how much exactly do you get per reader? There is no fixed amount. If, for example, a reader reads 5 posts per month and one of those posts was yours, you will get only $1 from the $5. The $5 of the reader will be split according to those 5 posts. If, for example, you have 1,000 readers reading your post, you'll get a share of each and every reader. If someone decides to log into Medium and then they find your post, they only read your post and they never return to Medium maybe for the whole month, then you'll get the entire $5. Growing on Medium on your own is not impossible, but if you want to increase your chances of being seen, you should post under publications or under groups. That way your post has higher chances of being seen by other people, because some groups can have like 100,000 people, and if from those 100,000 people maybe 20,000 or 15,000 or even 10,000 see your post, you will get a share of each and every person. Writing for Medium is by far the easiest way to make money writing, because you don't have to pay anything up front, and you also don't have to be somebody in order to start writing. You can have like 2 posts, and maybe like one of your posts you get 1,000 readers or even more, and you make money from that. When I was searching for more proof, because before I post anything here, I always either try it myself first or I gather enough proof to check if it really works. So I was searching and I found this lady who made $6,000 just from one post that she wrote on Medium. So it is possible to make money from Medium. And guess what? She didn't even come up with a new topic. She literally took a video, like an old video, she transcribed it and she posted on Medium, and she made $6,000 from there. On Medium, you can write about anything. I came across a post of a lady who was talking about her childhood traumas and how they've affected her. That post had more than 4,000 comments and around 5,000 something likes, meaning those people read that story. Even though she was just venting, I don't think she was writing just to make money, but you can see that she ended up making money from that post. I also came across another post of someone who was talking about dogs, and I don't like dogs. When I read that post, I didn't find anything interesting, but that post had more than 12,500 likes. If you ask me, that person made money from that post alone. So you can write about anything, or maybe you're already writing. You can take all your writings and post them on Medium, and you can potentially make money from that. Medium takes writers from all around the world, and if you are a reader and you're not subscribed, you can only read 3 posts for free, or you have to pay the $5. Honestly, for the longest time, I didn't know that there are people who are paying just to read stories, and this just goes to show that there are so many opportunities to make money online, because in this case, Medium can't write those articles themselves. They need people like you to write those articles so they can have something for those people to read, and they pay you for that. If this sounds like something you can do, go check them out. Number 2, Waywithwords.com. Waywithwords is a company that specializes on audio to text service. On their website, they clearly mention the countries that they hire from, and South Africa is one of those countries. This company has been around since 2002, so it's legit. You can make anywhere between $0.75 to $1.75 per minute, which may sound like it's not a lot of money, but trust me, if you do multiple transcriptions, it will amount to something. On Fiverr, for example, if you want to transcribe a 10-minute video, it's $5. But with this website, if you use their standard, you realize that a 10-minute video could potentially be $17 instead of $5 on Fiverr. So you can make more money with this website than you can make with Fiverr. Fiverr. Now imagine if you take multiple audios, you can easily make 500 trends per day. If you currently don't hold any job, you can use that to your advantage by taking multiple audios so you can make more money. But if you have a job already but you want to make extra money, you can just take 1 or 2 per day. And of course, make sure to retain the quality if you're going to be taking multiple audios per day. Number 3, Arc Remote Job. This is a website for developers and they hire across the world. This website is suitable for people interested in IT, software engineering, computer science, etc. You can work as a developer and they also have internships. So if you are studying IT or computer science or software engineering, you should check this website. The website is very professional and you can find other engineers who are already employed elsewhere, but they're also working there part-time. You can work for companies such as Shopify, Amazon, Reddit, and you can also choose like if you want an internship or you want like junior level or mid-level, etc. Number 4, remoteok.com. Remoteok is another legit website that lists different jobs of different categories, and the good thing is they show if a job is available for worldwide or in a specific location, because there is nothing as discouraging as finding a job that is suitable for you and when you try to apply you realize that they do not take people from your country. That is so discouraging. But with this website you can actually see if the job is open to worldwide or just only US or only UK. The salary depends on the kind of job you're applying for, and they have both part-time and full-time. Number 5, Outsourcingly.com. As the name suggests, this is a website that outsources services. Outsourcingly pairs up employees with employers. The website groups different jobs under different categories. For example, administrative jobs, sales and marketing, content writing. When looking for jobs in a website such as Outsourcingly, try to look for something relevant to you to avoid disappointments. You can't look for a job under web development where you don't have any certificate. And I'm not saying you can apply for those jobs, but try to be more practical. Look for something that you know that you may get. It makes more sense to apply for an administrative job if you don't have any experience than applying for a project manager job when you don't have any experience. And these are 5 websites that you should check if you want to start making money online. And if you have any other questions regarding this website, you can drop a comment down below and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. I wish you all the best. As I always say, apply for more than one job if you want to increase your chances of getting hired. See you next time. Bye.